Hi everyone, if you are into screen recording, e-learning or video editing, you may have heard of ActivePresenter. And today, we are excited to share what news in our latest version, ActivePresenter 9.3. This update comes with some seriously useful feature, especially for you who are working on the large files or you have a lot of background noise and you want to record ActivePresenter for software demos for your school and workplace learning. In this video, I will break down key highlights for you if you want to check out right away. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about a game changer for video editors, proxy files. If you have ever worked with a high-resolution videos, like 4K screen captures or long tutorials, you know how quickly your computer can slow down. Laggy timelines, choppy playback, long render times, and it's not fun. That's where proxy file comes in. In ActivePresenter 9.3, you can now generate proxy versions of your video files. These are lightweight, lower resolution copies that make the editing process way faster and smoother. But here's the bad part. Even though you are editing with a low resolution version, the final export will still use the original high-quality video. So you get the best of both worlds, faster editing and high-quality outputs. When you insert a high-resolution video like 2K or 4K into the editor, a pop-up dialog will appear asking you if you want to create a proxy file. You can manually generate a proxy file for a video by navigating to the Resources pane, right-click the video and choose Create Proxy. After creating a proxy file for your video, you can toggle proxy icon here to turn the proxy on or off while editing. So again, proxy file is a less heavy file, help you editing smoother. But when you export, your video remains the same quality as original. Next up, let's talk about audio, because clean audio makes a huge difference in your videos. And the best part, it just takes one click. You just need to select your audio and make sure you already split your audio track. Then click AI noise removal. Let's see a preview. Speaking in the public with noise removal. And finally, here's something really cool, especially for those of you to make training videos or tutorials. You can now use ActivePresenter to record itself. Yep, that's right. In version 9.3, the screen recorder can now capture the ActivePresenter interface in action. It's especially helpful for trainers, educators, or content creators who want to share how to use this software step by step. You just need to open Recording Dialog, click the gear icon, then check Show ActivePresenter window. You can even record your voice and webcam along with the ActivePresenter interface. So, to wrap up, here are 3 key highlights from ActivePresenter new version 9.3. Proxy file for smooth editing and high-quality export. One-click AI noise removal for a cleaner professional audio. And the ability to record ActivePresenter itself, perfect for making videos or software demos. If you haven't updated yet, go ahead and try this feature out. And if you are new to ActivePresenter, there has never been a better time to get started. Don't forget to like this video if you find this helpful, and stay tuned for next video for video editing and training tutorials. Bye!